Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Mary, and for today's video I am gonna be unboxing this month's Boxy charm. I'm super excited. I'm gonna be creating this look you see here as well, using some of the makeup products that come in, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys the details, the prices, and everything that comes in this month's Boxy charm. So if you're interested in seeing what I got and how I created this look, just please keep on watching. Here it is, you guys, my second Boxy charm of the year. I'm super excited to see what I got for this month. I feel like I'm a little too early with this video, but you guys, as soon as I filmed my first video, I got the box for this month right away. I was like, oh my god, that is so quick. But I mean, I don't mind it. I did, you know what, I'm not gonna lie, I actually thought, because I signed up for the first month, when I signed up for the first month, I thought maybe they sent it to me twice, because it was like super quick. Their shipping is like super quick. I thought it was like I was like, oh my god, I have to open it to see if it's the same box with the same, like obviously with the same stuff, because maybe they just sent it twice. But no, it was already February's box. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what I got. So of course I did sign up for the premium box, which is $39.99 a month. So it does come with a little paper, you guys, and it does have the brand names and the products, the name of the products and what they are, what they do, the prices. Obviously I didn't put on a full face, because if you did watch my last video, I did get skincare products as well that I wasn't able to I wasn't able to try them out. So today I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna be very bare. I'm not gonna have anything on, so I could get a chance to try out some of the skincare products they send. For the first product, you guys, I did get an eyeshadow palette, and this is the Kenya Ontiveros Beauty Glow and Go Kit palette. I'm gonna go ahead and go over the price, and I'm gonna read the description right off from the paper that came with it. Shine all year round with the Glow and Go Kit, designed in a sleek, travel-friendly palette filled with Kenya's favorite shades. This all-in-one kit is all you'll need for that everyday glow or touch-ups on the go, and this does retail for $48. Open it up. It is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and oil-free, which is really cool. And the packaging is so pretty. And if you don't know who Kenya Ontiveros is, she is the wife of Larry Hernandez. I don't really follow his music, but I follow his wife. I don't follow him, but I follow his wife because I know she came out with a beauty brand, and I know she did a collab with I think, who was it? I know she came out with a palette. I don't remember what brand it was, but I did actually really like that palette too. So this is the palette, and oh nice, it comes with a mirror, which is cool. And this is a very this is cute. She put her logo on the little plastic that comes in the palette. Okay, so these are the shades, you guys. Very natural nude shades, very neutral. And oh, I can't wait to try it out. I'm obviously going to be doing a look with this today. I love that she imprinted her brand in the eyeshadow, the shadows. That's pretty cool. For my second product that I got, it is a skincare product, and this is the Elemis. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's called Elemis, and this is a superfood matcha eye dew, and this is a refreshing eye gel. So good thing I didn't put anything underneath my eyes, so I can try this out. This is for all skin types. It has matcha, kiwi, and melon, and it is meant to refresh and brighten and nourish the under eyes. This retails for $39. So it's supposed to hydrate the eye area throughout the day. It helps revive and refresh to give a healthy glow with or without makeup. This lightweight gel absorbs easily into skin to offer the perfect on-the-go solution for an eye area that feels wide awake. Definitely gonna be trying this out today, and let's open it up just to see how big it is and what it smells like. So this is it, you guys. It doesn't have a heavy scent. It does have a scent, but it's not strong at all. Next up, you guys, I have here the Flawless Serum by Epione Beverly Hills. You guys, this serum does retail for $195. This is like the most expensive one here. Like, it's crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It doesn't have anything in the box. Like, it doesn't have any description or anything like that. And I love the packaging. So nice, so fancy. And it doesn't really say much, but in the back it does have the directions, and it does say apply during evening to affected areas or as directed by a physician. It does have 3 main ingredients that I cannot pronounce, so I'm not even gonna try. In the paper, it does give you the details, so I'm gonna go ahead and read that. So it is a powerful serum that reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles, tightens and firms while providing the skin surface with a protective barrier, helps retain water in the corneous layer of the skin, making the skin appear plump and radiant. And it does retail for $195, like I said. The only bad thing is me really liking this serum, because you guys, $195 for a serum, that's expensive. Oh my god, it doesn't have a scent and it's very thick. And you guys, I do have my hands are in the dry side right now because I do wash my hands a lot, and it did hydrate my hand really well, so that's a good thing. I'm actually gonna wait on this one because it does say PM, so I'm just gonna wait on it and try it out later. Next up, you guys, I got another skincare product, and it is called, I want to pronounce it ID as, it's a hydrating water fit mask, and it provides a moisturizing solution for your skin to treat delicate skin which has been stressed by internal and environment factors. This mask retails for $20. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This is what they look like. So you get 5 masks. Next up, you guys, we have a mascara by Stila. I'm super excited to try this one out. Boldest, blackest lashes ever. With just 1 coat, you instantly get major volume, length, lift, and intense black color. Go as bold as you want. Even with multiple coats, the flexible formula leaves lashes soft with no clumps, flakes, or fallout. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm obviously definitely gonna be trying this one out today. And ooh, the packaging is really pretty. Let's check out the applicator. This is what the applicator looks like. Course, me dropping it. Next up, you guys, I got some lip liners by Evio Beauty, and these are the creamy lip spo liners, and I got a dual, and it does retail for $24. This is in the shade Brook, you guys, and this is the swatch, and this is just like a rosy tone. Really pretty. So to start off this tryout, you guys, I'm gonna try out the Elements Refreshing Eye Gel first. I'm only gonna be trying this out from the skincare products that they send me, just because I want to leave the mask for later, and as well as the serum. It does say PM on it, and I'm obviously gonna be doing a future video of all my BoxyCharm products that I did like and I didn't like. I'm gonna put some onto the back of my hand, and then I'm gonna apply it. Okay, so in the back of this product, it says, gently pat around the eye area. If contact with eyes occur, rinse thoroughly. And it says, do not eat. This is a cosmetic. Who would eat this? Like, seriously, would somebody eat this? Like, bitch, let me taste this real quick and see what it tastes like. I mean, while I let that gel sit, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the eyes. Prime my lids, and I'm gonna prime using a concealer, and I'm gonna use the One Size concealer. So for my first shade, you guys, I'm gonna be using Empower, this one right here, and I'm gonna be using my Makeup by Ariel blending brush, and I'm just gonna apply that all over the crease. Next up, you guys, I'm gonna use that shade right next to it. This is Captivate. I'm gonna use that one onto the outer corner. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and deepen out the outer crease, and I'm gonna use Ghost, this one right here, this dark brown one, and I'll apply that onto the outer corner. Okay you guys, so that dark brown went on really nicely as well, and it's very pigmented. I'm gonna go ahead and choose a lit shade, and I'm gonna be using Joy. So pretty. Okay you guys, so this is a look I created using the palette. I think it's really pretty. I love the shadows. It went on really nicely. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try out the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, and this is the applicator. Okay, definitely gave me length, and wow, I mean, I did have my eyelashes curled. I curled them before, but I mean, the mascara is really black, and I'm definitely going to be applying falsies as well, you guys, but I really wanted to try out the mascara. Okay, you guys, so I came back on here to finish off the eye look, and I'm going to be using my Morphe M421 brush, and I'm going to be applying this shade right here, Captivate, underneath the lid. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply that Ghost shade, this dark brown right here, and I'm gonna apply that onto the outer corner. Okay you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the lip liner part, and I do have two lip liners here. I have a dark like plum one, and I have like a pinky rosy tone, but I don't know which one to do, you guys. Okay you guys, so I'm gonna go in with Brooke and should use the pinky one on the inside. Okay you guys, so that is it for this month's Boxy Charm review and tryout. I really did enjoy using the makeup products that came in this month's box, as well as the refreshing eye gel. This is my very first time using something, well, this is my very first time using all these brands, but it was my first time using an eye gel, and it felt really good underneath my eyes. Very hydrating. If anything, I feel like it gripped on better than my Banana Bright Eye Cream from Ole Henriksen, and as well as when I put on the concealer, I felt like it was still there. So I'm gonna keep on trying. I'm gonna obviously keep trying it out and see if it's gonna work out for me. I mean, it worked out today. The Stila mascara, you guys, I love how black this mascara is. It gave me length, and if it weren't because of my lashes, because I want to look more glam, I would definitely just leave the mascara on its own, but I definitely feel like I had to be a little extra with it and put lashes on. But definitely it's gonna be something that I'm gonna be reaching out for. For the palette, you guys, oh my god, definitely a brand that I haven't like thought of getting, and the fact that like I have it now and I know that it's good, like the shadows went on really nicely, and they're still really nice. Like, they're so pigmented, and yeah, you guys, like, look at this. It came out so good. Like, I didn't get any fallout in the pan, and they were true to color. Really good. It's really good. And for the lip liners, you guys, they went on like nothing. My lips were kind of in the dry side, and yeah, like I was able to do this like little lip combo. I kind of got inspired by Valentine's Day, to be honest. Like, I thought it would be really cute just to put those together. So that is it for this video, you guys. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to like this video, comment down below something sweet if you feel like it, and subscribe to my channel. Help me reach 500 subscribers. And yeah, you guys, other than that, thank you so much for watching if you did watch to the end, and I'll see you guys and girls in my next video. Bye.